Okay, for this vertical filling machine automatic working mode, first one you need to connect with your conveyor belt here. The cable is here. Okay, this one is for foot pedal. It is for semi-automatic working mode. If you don't need this part, just move it. Electricity here. Then you need to connect with your air compressor. Here is the electricity. Okay, connect with your power is okay. Here, connect with your air compressor. This is the switch. This blue circle is like this. Like this. Yeah, open and close like this. And here is the pressure gauge. You can adjust the pressure via this black knob here. Lift it and roll it. When you finish, then press it for locking. Normally the range for the pressure range 0.4 to 0.6 would be better. And the hopper part, if you want to use the heating function, please remember you need to fill enough oil. Okay, enough oil. White mineral oil here is okay. This is the inlet, and here is the outlet. This is the heating bar, temperature sensor. And here is the level tube. You can check it how many oils inside of the jacket here. Okay, feed the oil or waters into the jacket for heating before you turn on the heating function. And remember, if you feed oil inside, that's okay. If you feed water into the jacket for heating, you need to check it frequency. Okay, don't dry out all waters inside of the jacket. Okay, it will damage. If no water in the jacket, it will damage the heater part. Okay, remember it. Before you turn on the heating function, remember feed oil or water into the jacket for heating. And this part is for the hopper outlet. Hopper outlet. You can discharge the waste water or waste product from this outlet. Here is the valve. The top is the motor for mixing. Here is the control panel, and on the touch screen it is for the filling part, and for this one is for the heating part, for the hopper heating, jacket hopper heating. Switch here, you can set and check the temperature here. Yeah, this one is for the real-time temperature checking here. This one is your setting temperature. You can click set and minus plus via these buttons. When you finish, then press the set it again. It's okay. This one is for this one, for the valve. We call it a valve. Yeah, rotary valve temperature setting part. For this part heating. Okay, switch and the temperature checking and the setting part. This one is for the agitator here. Agitator. You can turn on the power here and open the functions here with this button. Okay, then you can adjust the speed via this screw. You can see like this. Yeah, adjust the speed via this black knob is okay. Yeah. Remember, before you open the mixing function, remember you need to fill enough product into the hopper inside. Okay, for mixing, also for filling and heating. Here is the emergency switch. This is the power switch. For the control panel part, touch screen, change the English word here. Here is the working buttons here. When you click here, the machine will work. Okay. Here is for the mode, for different working mode. This pedal mode is for foot pedal. You need to control the filling via this foot pedal when you press it. Okay, and the second fiber mode, it is for the sensor, bottle sensor mode. When you connect it with your conveyor belt, and you can choose this fiber mode and adjust this sensor to fix on your conveyor belt. Yeah, when the sensor senses the bottle, then it will fill product into the bottle inside. The fiber mode here. Yeah, this one is the wire mode. It's normally no need to use this one. Just change this mode is okay. Here is the counter part. Yeah, you can clear it here and count it. You can check how many bottles you have finished filling. You can check here. here is the current filling volume checking part. And the menu page, this page, you can, before you run the machine, maybe you want to test it or check it based on your bottle size, you can control each functions on this page, menu page, okay? For this menu page, and detect location, it is for the conveyor belt part. If you connect with your conveyor belt, you will use this function. And also for the conveyor belt on and off here, when you use the conveyor belt, you will use this one, okay? Filling cleaning is when you turn on it, it will keep filling for cleaning, okay? Filling valve just for this one, this part, filling valve on and off. And filling once, when you click here, the machine will work for one time, filling, okay? So or turn, it is for filling volume working motor here on and off. The barrel liter, this is lift, and lift up, lift down here. If you want to adjust the height for the filling nozzle, also for the hopper, you can use these two functions here on this page. Okay, cleaning speed, it is for the filling speed, flow speed here, and the keep filling time set it here is okay. Now we back it. I/O view, this view, it is a signal checking page here. Normally no need to set, just check it which part is working state and which part is not working. Yeah. And this is the parameters page. You can set the filling volume in this page here, total filling volume here. Yeah, and here you can check it. You can set the three stages for filling. First filling maybe 20%, and the next one maybe 40%. The final one maybe the 40%. Yeah, totally 100%. If you want to fill it to divide three stages, you can set it here for different filling percentage here, okay? And if you don't want to use the this mode, you just change the second stage to 100% is okay. Yeah. And here is for the reverse filling volume, reverse filling speed. When you finish one time filling, maybe the filling nozzle here will keep some product, right? Avoid to let the product drop into the ground. So we design this function. You can set maybe 1 millimeters, or here when finish one time filling, and the pump will suck back the product from here, the filling nozzle. Avoid the product will drop on the ground. Right? You can set it here. Here is the speed. Yeah, set here. And here is also for the speed, for the flow speed. Yeah, when you want to use the three stages filling, you can set different speed for each stage here. And here. Normally this part no need to set, just set this one is okay. Yeah. And here is receipt part, memory page. If you want to keep for a different product parameters setting, you can keep it in this page. Okay. Yeah, just remember when you use this machine, you can change the mode you want. And here is the working buttons here, and set your filling volume here. It's okay. And here you can adjust the conveyor belt speed. This one. Okay, here is the power switch for the conveyor belt. You need to change the working mode first. For the fiber mode, it is for automatic working mode. Okay, and next one, you need to check your sensor position.
Because this machine is from right to left, so the electric sensor should set on the right of
two bottles here, like this. Two bottles here, adjust the sensor position at the middle between two bottles, like this. Okay, then you can set here parameters page, set here electric eye offset distance, set the time here, then you can test it. via the menu page detect location. I show you. Yeah, when you finish the time setting, then you can test it like this. You see, check the position. The first bottle with the and the filling nozzle, not in the bottle middle, right? I mean the filling position, not in the middle of the bottle. Then the stop position is not very correct. You need to set the time more longer or more shorter here. Here, okay? Set the time here. Then test it again with the detect location until the bottle like this, the bottle, the first bottle in like this, and the filling nozzle in the middle of the bottle like this. That is the correct filling position. Okay, so adjust the sensor first between two bottles, the middle gap here. Then set the time electric eye offset distance time here. Then test it in the menu page with detect location and test it. Find the correct filling position for the filling nozzle and the bottle. Okay, if everything is set well, then you can run the machine here with this one. Start it with this one. Then it will fill your product automatically.